Jingle 3, the noun jingle. This is a noun jingle, my friend, a noun jingle, my friend. You can shake it to the left and shake it to the right. Find yourself a noun and then recite. A noun names a person, a noun names a thing, a noun names person, place, or thing, and sometimes an idea. Person, place, thing, idea. Person, place, thing, idea. So shake it to the left and shake it to the right. Find yourself a noun and feel just right. Jingle 4, the verb jingle. A verb, what is a verb? Haven't you heard? There are two kinds of verbs, the action verb and the linking verb. The action verb shows a state of action, like stand and sit and smile. The action verb is always in motion because it tells what the subject does. We stand, we sit, we smile. The linking verb shows a state of being, like am, is, are, was, and were. Looks, becomes, grows, and feels. The linking verb shows no action because it tells what the subject is. He is a clown. He looks funny. Jingle 5, the adverb jingle. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb asks how, when, where. To find an adverb, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a verb, adjective, or another adverb. What do I ask? How, when, where. What do I get? An adverb, man. Cool. Jingle 6, the adjective jingle. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective asks what kind. An adjective asks which one. An adjective asks how many. To identify an adjective, go, ask, get. But where do I go? To a noun or pronoun. What do I ask? What kind? Which one? How many? What do I get? An adjective. Jingle 7, the article adjective jingle. Drop the beat. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. We are called article adjectives and noun markers. We are memorized and used every day. So if you spot us, you can mark us with the capital A. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. Now that we've reviewed all the different types of parts of speech that we know, let's go and learn about some new sentences today. In your Wednesday folder, you'll have this sheet that says the 4 kinds of sentences at the top. The first type of sentence is a declarative sentence. Declarative. Say declarative. Now, if you declare something, it means you say something. Like, I declare that I will have pizza for dinner. Right? That's a statement. You're declaring something. So in a declarative sentence, what I want you to write in your notes is it makes a statement. So you can just write statement. All right? Statement. So right here by your arrow, you should have statement. Now, a declarative sentence makes a statement, and it's going to end with a period. So go ahead and just draw a period right there. All right, so it's a statement. It ends with a period. Let's think of an example. What would be an example for a declarative sentence? Now, yours doesn't have to match mine, but my declarative sentence is, I'm going to use my pizza one. I will have pizza for dinner. Notice my first letter of my sentence is capitalized. Notice I've got a period at the end. Let's move right below it to an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, when you exclaim something, it means you got really, really strong feeling about it. So if an exclamatory sentence is going to be a sentence that has strong feelings. So after the arrow, you can write strong feeling. That's going to end with an exclamation point, right? An exclamation point is what you use when you've got really, really strong feeling about something. You're going to exclaim something. So, exclamatory sentence, strong feeling, it's going to have an exclamation mark. Think of an example. For example, I might say, I love something, and that might be something I feel really strongly about. So I'm going to have an exclamation point at the end. I love chocolate. Ice cream. I love ice cream. All right? If you don't love ice cream, don't make that your exclamatory sentence. Think about something that works for you. Next, we have our imperative sentence. An imperative sentence, if something's imperative, you must do it. So our imperative sentences are a command. Something that you must do. An imperative sentence is going to end with a period. Something that you must do, a command. Now, an imperative sentence sometimes looks a little bit different than other sentences. It doesn't have a really obvious subject like a lot of our other sentences do. So, one example of an imperative sentence might be, watch the video. So, imperative sentence, watch the video. Now, maybe you've heard me or fourth graders, Mr. Bauer, say that like an exclamatory sentence. Maybe if they say it with really strong feeling, there's an exclamatory sentence, but it also could be just a command. Watch the video. Right? That's a command. That's an imperative sentence. It's going to end with a period. Clean up the kitchen. Make your bed. Right? Those would all be imperative sentences that end with a period. Finally, our interrogative sentence. If you interrogate something, you interrogate someone, you're asking them questions. So interrogative sentence is a question. Questions end with a question mark. Sorry, most of my sentences are about food right now. I'm just hungry. So an interrogative question might be, what's for dinner? What's for dinner? All right? So we're going to talk about these 4 types of sentences as we go onto the back of our sheet and add our sentences, classifying our sentences to our question-answer flow. So flip it over if you're done with the back, and we'll get going on our question-answer flow. All right, sorry, my video cut out on me, so I'll start at this again. All right, sentence 1. The dogs barked. What barked? Dogs. Subject, noun. What is being said about dogs? Dogs barked. Verb. The. Article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Period. Statement. Declarative sentence. Okay, so that's how we're going to end. That's how we're going to add our period and declarative sentence at the end there. All right, let's try it again with sentence 2. The 5 yappy dogs barked noisily outside. What barked noisily outside? Dogs. Subject, noun. What is being said about dogs? Dogs barked. Verb. Barked how? Noisily. Adverb. Barked where? Outside. Adverb. What kind of dogs? Yappy. Adjective. How many dogs? 5. Adjective. The. Article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Period. Statement. Declarative sentence. Now, we're also going to add something where we go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Where we're going to go to is right between the subject, noun, and the verb. And right in front of the verb, we're going to do that. So, check. Period. Statement. Declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Subject, what the sentence is about. Predicate, what the subject did. Let's try our next 3. We're going to do our classifier type of sentences and divide the subject and the verb in these next 3. Sentence 3. The friends played happily. Who played happily? Friends. Subject, noun. What is being said about friends? Friends played. Verb. Played how? Happily. Adverb. The. Article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Period. Statement. Declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Sentence 4. The 2 best friends played quite happily inside. Who played quite happily inside? Friends. subject, noun. What is being said about friends? Friends played. Verb. Played how? Happily. Adverb. How happily? Quite happily. Adverb. Played where? Inside. Adverb. What kind of friends? Best friends. Adjective. How many friends? 2. Adjective. The. Article. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Number 5. The hungry panther attacked very quickly. What attacked very quickly? Panther. Subject, noun. What is being said about panther? Panther attacked. Verb. Attacked how? Quickly. Adverb. How quickly? Very quickly. Adverb. What kind of panther? Hungry. Adjective. The. Article. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Excellent. Great work today. We'll pick it up with our classroom practice 10 tomorrow.